Howdy there guys, this is Old Main Productions and I'm here tonight at Sykesville Road, well, Main Street, Sykesville. We have ourselves CSX K676 here, a whole bunch of special stuff on it. Real quick, I'm going to clean my lens. Okay. K3L. Nice one. YN2 ethanol bound for Baltimore Ethanol Terminal. This will be mixed with gasoline and other commodities, shipped overseas and used domestically. And this train's on its brakes because it's speeding. Speed limit through town is 25 and this is not 25. Notice how the ditch lights were not working. Now, you may think this is just normal K676, but wait till the last thing on this train. You'll be shocked as much as I am. Also, I may do it this way, but I actually caught this train a few days ago, and it was a trail fail. I pretty much missed it, because I stayed up all night long for it. I was so excited to see it, but it actually almost struck a car, and I didn't know this. So I thought maybe I missed it, and I was heading home, and I figured I'll check the signals at a crossing near me. When I got there, the train was passing. You couldn't see anything because it was dark, but I said, oh, I'll catch the westbound. I missed the westbound. And this is the first time that I can remember a K676 has came a week later with identical power to a K676 that had passed a week prior. And that's good news, because we're about to see something really cool coming up. Blocker car on the moment of truth. There we go, guys. That was well worth it. I hope you enjoyed that video. Have a great night. And with that, Old Main Productions signing off.